Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. This is the Firefighter's Financial Toolbox. Today I'm going to tell you how you can be a millionaire, a tax-free millionaire for $90 a week. Do you believe me? Hang around and check it out. Hey you guys, welcome back. Can I really become a tax-free millionaire for $90 a week? Well, I can't because I'm too old. But let's say I was 25 and I had a 40-year investment time horizon. Could I open up a Roth IRA and become a millionaire on $90 a week? Believe it or not, I could, and I'm going to show it to you here in just a minute. First of all, it's a new year. It's time to get those Roths started, you guys. I'm a big fan of trying to max mine out, or almost max them out, on January 2nd for the new year, so I have the whole year for it to grow. Now I realize that's not possible for everybody because money constraints or whatever, but this message is for you youngsters, for you 20-year-olds out there. This is for you. I want you to listen and listen good. $90 a week. You could be a millionaire by the time you're 65. 40 years, and we're going to show it with the online calculator here in a second. We're going to go and show. Now, do you have a Roth open? If you don't, go to one of your discount brokerages, guys. Go to Fidelity, go to Charles Schwab, go to Vanguard, or if you like doing it on your phone, go to M1 Finance. M1 Finance has the advantage of letting you use fractional shares, which means you can dollar cost average. Usually if you buy ETFs, you have to buy it for the price of the share. With fractional shares, you could put $90 in each week and buy $90 of the fund that you need to keep growing your money. Now, what kind of fund should we use? A single total stock market in ETF, you guys. My favorite is Vanguard's total stock market ETF, ticker symbol VTI. Currently, those shares are going for about $166 and change. But, as I said, on M1 Finance, you can buy $90. Now, I do have to say that depending on where you open your Roth IRA, and if you do M1 Finance, remember, for a retirement account, they do have a $500 minimum at M1 Finance. Now, some of the other brokerages do not have a minimum, but you do have to use online tools, and some of them have, well, let's just say some have better mobile apps than others. Most of them have them nowadays, but some are better than others. So, as we said, VTI, that would be my primary because I'm a Vanguard guy. But what if you like Schwab better? You could use the Schwab US Broad Market ETF, which is basically a United States total stock market ETF as well, and that's ticker SCHB. Again, low expense ratio of 0.03%, same as VTI. And those shares are going right now for about $78. So another option. What if you don't want that? What if you want iShares, BlackRock iShares, their core S&P total stock market US ETFs, ticker symbol ITOT. So there's three different options where you put it in one ETF and forget about it. Each of these funds has approximately 25 to 2,700 individual companies. So you're getting a broad coverage of the United States stock market. And all you have to do is put $90 in each week. You can forget about it. So we're going to go online, we're going to go to the financialcalculator.org, and we're going to take a look at some numbers. Hey guys, so we're at financialcalculator.org, and we're on their compound interest calculator. Now, as we talked about, how can we be a millionaire for $90 a week? Is it really possible? Well, let's put in the numbers. So let's say our starting balance is $0. Now we're going to put it in weekly like we said, so let's change that to weekly. $90. And we're going to assume an 8% interest rate. Now we're 25 and we're going to be investing for 40 years. Now let's see what our value is. $1.373 million, you guys. Now, Are we going to get 8% going forward? I can't say that for sure. Nobody can. But let's take a look at 7%, which I think over 40 years is a legitimately reasonable number. So we'll punch in the same thing, starting with 0, making a weekly contribution of $90, annual interest rate of 7% this time, and again, we're still investing for 40 years. And you see, we still come out with $1,030,500, you guys. We still make it on $90 a week. Invested in a Roth IRA, that's tax-free money for you in your retirement. Wow, you guys. So you saw, even with a 7% return, we were able to get over $1 million with just $90 a week. And if we look at how much of that is interest, you guys, we're talking $843,000 of interest in those 40 years. And if we have it in a Roth, it's tax-free. How can we not do this? Time is your friend. 20-year-olds, listen to me. Find the money. Put it away. Even if you can't afford to put $90 away at first, put away what you can. Put away $50 a week. And then as you get more money, you can up it a little bit. Time is on your side. Those years of compounding interest can make you a millionaire. I started late in life, you guys. I didn't get serious about investing until my mid-30s. And I'm paying for it. I'm having to put away a lot of my income into my savings so that I can afford my retirement. If you start earlier, you won't have to invest as much, but because you have the time, it'll grow to more money, you guys. Listen to me. This is something you need to do. All right. Hope you guys got something out of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It really helps me out. As I said, I do have a link to M1 Finance down below. If you use my link, I do get a commission. It helps the channel. It helps me keep making content for you guys. You do not have to use it, but please, whatever you decide, you guys, if you don't have a Roth IRA already going, go start one.